Ibinahagi ni King of Talk Boy Abunda ang kanyang mga karanasan at natutunan sa buhay sa ilang estudyante sa ginanap na GMA Masterclass The Conversation Series sa Davao City at General Santos City. Narito ang report ni Paul Hernandez.
Chocolate or happiness?
Nasa edad naman lahat dito, no? We made it chocolates, happiness and chocolates because I do an afternoon show.
Buwan naman ng Fast Talk ang isinagawa kasamang undisputed King of Talk at media icon na si Boy Abunda sa Mindanao leg ng award-winning GMA Masterclass, The Conversation Series na ginanap sa Holy Cross of Davao College sa Davao City. Hitik sa kwento ng buhay, hindi makakalimutang karanasan, pakikibaka, pagbangon, aral at inspirasyon ng kanyang ibinahagi sa mga lumahok.
Hindi lahat ng laban kung ano ang ibinibigay sa iyo, yun ang ibabalik mo. Laban is about winning. Laban is about tactics. Sun Tzu would say in different words that the best way to win a war is to win it and not fight it.
May babala naman si Tito Boy sa hindi mapipigilang pag-usbong ng social media.
It was the chaos with the confusion, with the overwhelming availability of anything in social media. You forget the core.
Tunay naman itong nanuot sa mga estudyante.
One thing that struck my mind talaga that Tito Boy told me is to always go back to your core. Now, whenever you tell a story, whenever you answer a question, you tell your own story.
Ipinunto ni Senior Vice President at Head for GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy Oliver Victor B. Amoroso ang kahalagahan ng pakikipag-usap bilang panimula ng paglulunsad ng Conversation Series. Kabilang sa mga ito ang tulong ito sa pagpapaunlad ng mental health awareness.
Not only raised awareness about mental health but also fostered a culture of empathy, compassion, and solidarity among students, encouraging those in need to seek help without fear of judgment.
Nagpasalamat naman ang partner school na Holy Cross of Davao College.
We acknowledge the GMA Network, the GMA Regional TV, the Synergy team, and the Holy Cross of Davao College for working together towards the development of future leaders through dialogue and discourse.
Naging makabuluhan din para sa mahigit 1,000 estudyante at mga guro sa STI College sa General Santos City ang kanilang pagdalo sa GMA Masterclass The Conversation Series kung saan tampok din ang King of Talk na si Boy Abunda.
Sabihin mo sa sarili mo, mali ka, I can do it. And that self-talk has to happen as often as you can. I encourage people to do self-conversations. Ano ba ang problema? Saan ba ako nagkukulang? Change that mindset. It is impossible until you make it real.
Nagpasalamat naman ang STI College at mga partisipante sa naturang aktibidad.
May mga times din po talaga na bumababa yung self-confidence namin. And dahil po doon sa sinasabi niya, may mga matutunan kami.
We have the incredible opportunity to embark on a transformative journey with him through the esteemed GMA Masterclass, The Conversation Series. Great appreciation to the GMA family for choosing STI Gensan to be the host of this league in Soc Sargent.
Paul Hernandez, Balitang Southern Tagalog.